We just got this order in for a customer's UTV, a 2013 Polaris Brutus, in fact. First of all, we're making room for the accessories. We got this tough claw cup holder, and what the beauty about this is that it simply mounts to a railing on the UTV, so it's universal. It'll fit anywhere, and you know, keep your beverage nice and safe. Next up, we must be planning to haul some stuff around because we got some winch shackle mounts from Factor 55. Now, what's awesome about these shackle mounts in particular is that they have a max load of up to 6,000 pounds. Well, then finally, the creme de la creme, we've got ourselves a 3,500 pound winch from Falcon. This is the standard when it comes to adding a winch to your ATV or UTV. This one in particular not only works up to 3,500 pounds, but it comes with a synthetic rope. So right here is everything this customer has ordered for their 2013 Polaris Brutus. Some of it is universal fit, so not only will it work on their machine, it might work on your UTV or ATV as well. All of this gets them over the $89 limit for free shipping. How about you? What do you need for your UTV?